Good evening, lower school families, and I hope that you're off to a great start for your Thanksgiving holiday. But before that happens, I wanted to take a few moments to share with you a couple of thoughts about the 1 through 5 report card for St. Andrews Lower School. As you know, we've been working over the past 5 years to create more specific and discrete feedback for your child's growth and development. We've done this really with the primary purpose of helping your child understand explicitly how they can set goals for themselves, how they can celebrate their strengths, and consider their challenges as opportunities for growth. Looking at the top of the report card, you'll see that we start with our skills legend. You can see that S is for secure, D is for developing, B is for beginning, I is for improvement needed, and NA is for not assessed. For more information regarding these specific skills, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the report card and you'll see that there's a legend that gives you definitions for each of these different marks. Scrolling back to the top, we'll always start our report card with a homeroom comment from your child's homeroom teacher. This is in reflection of their socio-emotional development as well as their participation in the broader learning community. These comments generally reflect your child's self-management skills, but then also are going to provide opportunities for growth and development and goal setting. Following the homeroom comment, you'll see that there is comments related to English language arts, beginning with reading. Please remember that we focus on a major skill heading followed by discrete sub-skills. These sub-skills are where you'll actually get the mark for your child's performance and be given information about whether or not there's opportunities for growth in that specific area. So here, for example, in reading, you see decoding and accuracy, reading fluency, and reading comprehension. These major categories remain consistent year over year. However, the sub-skills will change depending on what is age appropriate and developmentally appropriate for your child and for that grade. Scrolling down beyond reading, you'll see that we have writing. And following the writing section with our major skills and then sub-skills, you'll see that there's also the writing comment. Please keep in mind that the teachers have spent the last 4 days or so focusing on writing these very, very developed comments to give your child a nuanced understanding of his or her performance in the classroom and relationship with that specific subject matter. These comments are a great opportunity for your child to sit down and reflect with you about opportunities for growth and also to start to think about what types of goals they want to set for themselves as they near the mid-year conference. My recommendation would be that you print out these report cards and that you revisit them frequently to make sure that you're helping your child set goals and that you're coming back to some of those challenge areas and getting reports from your child specifically about the strategies they're developing to help support those challenge areas. Scrolling down, you'll see that there's the math section with the major skills along with discrete skills. Science, which is new this year, along with social studies, where you will find major skills along with sub-skills. The conclusion of the report card will start with fine arts, followed by physical education and foreign language. Each trimester you'll get a different fine arts comment, and then you'll also get a physical education and foreign language comment in the form of Spanish. These are also great tools to help your child develop in those areas. And in future years, you'll see that we'll actually be adding major skills and sub-skills to art, physical education, and Spanish. If you do have any questions regarding your child's report card, please make sure that you reach out to your child's homeroom teacher, ask questions, and please revisit this document frequently as we will be using this as the foundation for our mid-year conferences. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful break.